Everyone thinks the best-selling Instant Pot is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly which models are worth your money. Product number 1, Dash Mini Waffle Maker in Aqua. This tiny thing caught my eye because it's under $10 and over 10,000 people bought it last month. It's small, lightweight, and heats up fast with a 350-watt motor. If you want a quick, no-fuss waffle for one person or a fun snack for kids, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's perfect if you live in a dorm, have a tiny kitchen, or just want something simple for weekend breakfasts. The non-stick surface actually works, waffles pop right out, and cleanup is just a quick wipe. It makes one small, thick waffle at a time, and the indicator light tells you when it's ready. It's not going to replace your Sunday brunch setup, but for a single serving, it gets the job done. Now, some people complained about uneven heating or waffles sticking if you don't grease it lightly. Here's the thing though, this isn't a high-end machine. For under $10, you're getting exactly what you pay for, basic function with charm. If you need consistent restaurant quality results, this isn't it. But for occasional use, totally fine. This is perfect for you if you want something cheap, cute, and compact for solo waffles or kid-friendly treats. Skip this one if you're feeding a family or want deep-pocket Belgian-style waffles. For the price, it's a fun little gadget that actually works. Product number 2, Instant Pot Duo 8QT. That was a solid option. But if the 6QT felt a little tight for your household, the Instant Pot Duo 8QT takes everything great about the original and scales it up. This one's built for larger families, meal preppers, or anyone who likes to cook once and eat all week. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 8-quart capacity lets you cook up to 8 servings at once. Think big batches of chili, pulled pork, or bone broth. It still has all 7 core functions, including yogurt making and sterilizing, but now with 1,200 watts of power for even faster cooking. The tri-ply stainless steel pot is just as durable, and the 13 smart programs make one-touch cooking a breeze. It's also dishwasher safe, which is a huge win when you're cleaning up after a big cook. Over 7,000 people bought this in the past month, showing it's a favorite for serious home cooks. Now, some people complained it's bulky and takes up serious counter space. Here's the thing though, if you're using it multiple times a week, that footprint pays off in time and effort saved. But if you have a tiny kitchen, this might feel like overkill. This is perfect for you if you cook for 6+ people or love freezing meals for later. Skip this one if you're short on space or only cook for 1 or 2. It's a powerhouse, but only worth it if you'll actually use the size. Product number 3, Vortex Plus Air Fryer 6QT. If pressure cooking isn't your main focus, but you still want that Instant Pot reliability, the Vortex Plus Air Fryer 6QT is a game changer. From the makers of Instant Pot, this isn't just another air fryer. It's a 6-in-1 multitasker that air fries, bakes, roasts, broils, dehydrates, and reheats. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses Even Crisp technology to deliver crispy results with 95% less oil than deep frying, so your chicken wings taste guilty but aren't. The 6-quart basket fits a whole bag of fries or a 5-pound chicken, and the adjustable temperature range from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit gives you total control. The touchscreen is simple to use, and the non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup actually easy. At 1,700 watts, it heats up fast, no preheating needed for most foods. Over 5,000 sold last month shows people are loving the combo of health and convenience. Now, some people complained the basket can be tricky to clean if grease builds up in the corners. Here's the thing though, a quick soak solves that, and it's still way easier than scrubbing a deep fryer. This is perfect for you if you want crispy food without the oil or guilt. Skip this one if you're strictly looking for a pressure cooker. This is all about air frying versatility.
Product number 4, Instant Pot Duo Plus 6QT. That air fryer was fun, but let's get back to pressure cooking. And this next one is the upgraded version of the classic. The Instant Pot Duo Plus 6QT adds 2 extra functions, sous vide and sterilizer, bringing the total to 9. At $139.99, it's pricier, but you're getting serious upgrades. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The sous vide function lets you cook steak, eggs, or fish to perfect doneness with restaurant-level precision, something the regular Duo can't do.
It also includes 15 one-touch programs, 2 extra ceiling rings, and a stainless steel steam rack, which adds real value. The display is clearer, showing time, temp, and pressure in real time, and the detachable cord makes storage cleaner. Like the others, it's UL listed with over 10 safety features, so you can walk away without worry. Over 4,000 sold last month shows it's a favorite among serious home chefs. Now, some people complained the higher price isn't justified if you don't use sous vide. Here's the thing though, if you love perfectly cooked proteins or meal prep with precision, that feature alone makes it worth it. But if you just want soups and stews, you're paying for extras you might not need. This is perfect for you if you want advanced cooking options and don't mind spending a bit more. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't care about sous vide.
Product number 5, Instant Pot Duo Mini 3QT. If the 6QT and 8QT models felt too big, the Instant Pot Duo Mini 3QT is here for small households, couples, or solo cooks. At $89.99, it's the most affordable on this list, and it still packs 7 cooking functions into a compact design. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3-quart size is ideal for 1 to 3 people, and it's small enough to tuck away in a cabinet. It still pressure cooks, slow cooks, makes yogurt, and sautés, just on a smaller scale. The 700-watt motor is less powerful, but for smaller batches, it's more than enough. It includes 11 smart programs and a dishwasher-safe pot, so cleanup is still easy. Plus, it comes with a free app featuring over 1,900 recipes, which is honestly impressive for a mini model. Over 4,000 bought it last month, proving it's a hit for downsizers and dorm rooms. Now, some people complained it's too small even for 2 people if you like leftovers. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for 1 or 2 and don't want to deal with giant portions, this is ideal. But if you meal prep or love leftovers, you'll outgrow it fast. This is perfect for you if you live alone or have a tiny kitchen. Skip this one if you cook for more than 2 or want leftovers. For the price and size, it's a steal.
So which one's best? The Duo 6QT is the all-around winner for most families. Need more space? Go 8QT. Want crispy food without oil? The Vortex air fryer delivers. Craving precision cooking? The Duo Plus adds sous vide. And for small households, the Mini 3QT is a compact powerhouse. Each one solves a different problem, so pick the one that fits your life.